with a glass of water. No matter how much I say, I can't quite capture its greatness, but let's give it a try. Now, before we dive into the serious stuff, let me start with a question. Have you ever noticed how life at Trinity feels like a series of thrilling matches? Whether it's racing to finish your homework, rehearsing for that big drama performance, or gearing up for the Bradby, there's always something that keeps our hearts racing and our adrenaline pumping. But what sets Trinity apart? It's more than just the rugby and cricket matches, the debates, the drama performances, or the daily challenges we face. It's about the legacy we carry, a legacy of excellence, character, and resilience that has been passed down from one generation of Trinitians to the next. We are blessed to walk the same halls and play on the same fields as some of the greatest legends of our nation. Mr. Kumar Sangakkara, a name that echoes not just in Sri Lanka but across the globe, began his journey here. A man who epitomizes the values of hard work, humility, and brilliance. Then there's Matheesha Pathirana, a rising star in cricket, affectionately known as Baby Malinga. He is proof that the spirit of Trinity continues to shine on the world stage. Now, when I say Trinity Rugby, who comes to your mind first? Well, at the moment, it might be Master Arham Dhilfowzy and his boys, but let's not forget Tharinda Ratwatte, leading the Lions with power and grace. We've also produced Duncan White, who brought home a silver medal from the Olympics, a testament to the fact that the heights of success we can achieve have no limits when we believe in ourselves and our abilities. And of course, the Bradby ship. The match every Trinitian eagerly awaits. Most recently, it was won by Trinity, led by Master Arham Dhilfowzy and his team, who led with courage and unwavering dedication. The Bradby isn't just a game. It's a reflection of who we are. A school that never backs down. A school that fights till the very end with passion, pride, and honor. But our greatness isn't just limited to sports. We are also masters of the stage. Our dramas, like every other endeavor we take on, are cut above the rest. From plays that make you laugh, cry, and think, to performances that leave an indelible mark, like the amazing glimpse of Bradby performance which took place last year. Trinity College is a school where art and performance flourish. Now, you might ask, what makes Trinity so successful in all these areas? Well, it's our values. Values instilled in us, not just through the rules and traditions of this great institution, but through the tireless dedication of our teachers, who shape us into better students, better sportsmen, and most importantly, better human beings. To every teacher in this hall, thank you. Your commitment to our education, growth, and development is beyond words. Whether you are helping us to understand difficult equations or encouraging us to dig deep on the rugby field, it's your support that gives us the strength to reach for greatness. And of course, to our beloved principal. They might not be present, but he has been our guide, our motivator, and our source of strength. His leadership ensures that the spirit of Trinity continues to thrive generation after generation. Under his watchful eye, we are not just learning the subjects in our books, we are learning how to become men of integrity, honor, and resilience. To our Vice Principal and Co-Vice Principal as well, your steady leadership and tireless dedication to this institution have helped us shape us into who we are today. We are forever grateful for your wisdom, guidance, and the vision you provide for this school. A special thanks to our senior prefect, Master Hussain Bandaranaike, and all the prefects for your exceptional dedication and leadership. Even though you may have the uncanny ability to make us face our fears like that annual ritual of getting our hair cut short, I appreciate how you guide us with such responsibility and commitment. It's not just about enforcing the rules, it's about making sure we look sharp while doing so. As I close, I want to remind every Trinitian in this hall that we are part of something greater than ourselves. Every time we step into a classroom, onto the field, or onto the stage, we carry with us the weight of this great institution's history. It's not just about winning matches or scoring high grades. It's about embodying the values of discipline, respect, and excellence. Values that will stay with us for the rest of our lives. And let's not forget that this is just the beginning. The stars of tomorrow are seated right here among us. I firmly believe that in 10 to 15 years' time, many of you here will be leading lights, not just in Sri Lanka, but perhaps even on the global stage. Whether you're destined to be a cricket legend, a rugby champion, a champion athlete, a drama superstar, or even the next big thing on YouTube, the potential within this room is boundless. As they say, great days are ahead. And who knows, maybe we look back at you and say, I remember when that boy was just a normal student at Trinity. So let's commit to making these years unforgettable. Let's strive for excellence in every field and make our alma mater so proud that even the stars in the sky might start feeling a little overshadowed by our achievements. Remember, the world is our oyster, and it's time to show just how bright we can shine. In the words of our school motto, Respike look to the end. Let us look to the future, knowing that with the foundation we have built here at Trinity, anything is possible. Thank you, everyone. And just one last thing before I leave. You know, all of us here don't really like exams, right? O-levels, A-levels, mock exams, term exams, stressful, boring, whatever. But take it like this. Exams are like the Bradby matches. You either tackle them head on, or they tackle you. Let's make sure we win that battle every day too. Thank you and have a nice day. Respike. The final message isn't just for all Trinitians, but for students across the country. Together, let's strive to make Sri Lanka proud. In the words of Kumar Sangakkara, talent is important, but how you develop it, harness it. And where you take it is what truly matters. So let's nurture our potential and work towards a brighter future for ourselves and our nation. Thank you very much.